Tita. Morning, Tito.
Morning, Tita.
I'm going to school, see my friends. Yan ang aking hair, oh. Andito tayo ngayon sa aking bestie. Mansion ng aking bestie. Very sexy, oh. Walang winter. Ano, gabi kayo siya ka-organize, guys. Super.
Mom, someone order.
Oh, my Hermes. This one is Hermes too, yeah? What's this one? Salvatore Ferragamo. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Thursday everyone. It is currently 10 o'clock ng umaga and yeah, it's another exciting day for me guys kasi finally, ito na yung araw guys na ipapagawa natin yung ating hair. Oh my God, kung nakasubaybay kayo guys sa ating channel, alam nyo na I have been waiting for this day kasi nabook ko na before tapos na-cancel dahil lockdown ulit, ganito, ganyan. Kaya yun. And today, it is happening guys, kaya I'm very, very excited. Pasensya na pala kagabi, hindi ko na-end yung vlog natin kasi when we got home, diretso na kami sa bed guys, plak na kami, super tired. When we got home, I think it was already 10:30, so I took Paris to bed straight away. Anyways, it's another day guys. And another ganap tayo ngayon. Ang ating baby girl ay nandito pa kasi late siyang magcha-childcare today. Hala, ngit-ngit, ma'am. Nak, kasi late siyang nagising. Morning, anak eh. Say morning. Ay, Diyos lang ha pa man. Say morning, tita. Ay, morning, tita. So, ako lang yung aalis guys. Pupunta tayo ng South Melbourne para sa ating hair. Si Daddy Mike ay may work today. Ready, Paris? Careful when you come down. Careful. Alam nyo guys, kung maginaw kahapon, mas maginaw today. Yesterday was 22 degrees pero maulan. But today is only maximum 14. Oh my God, that's the spring. And you know what? I think meron akong sisipunin ako ba kasi yung throat ko parang itchy. Daddy, I think my throat is itchy.
Huh?
My throat is itchy. I think I'm having a... Come on, I was expecting like, oh, you're right, mommy, I'll give you something. Come on, my love. Yeah. Come on, mama's got more. The Gruffalo like ice cream?
Paris.
Oh, Paris too?
I'm
Gruffalo too, yeah. Gruffalo too, like ice cream.
I like it.
Yeah, Paris like it too. Yay!
We're going inside.
Oh. So funny. Say, good morning, Tita. Morning, Tito. I'm going to school, see my friends. Yeah. Ayan guys, kakadrop lang natin kay Baby Paris sa childcare. It's now 10:30 ng umaga and yung drive papunta doon sa South Melbourne guys sa aking hairdresser is around 25 to 30 minutes. So we'll get there around 11 something. Then we'll probably just grab a coffee kasi 12 o'clock yung ating appointment guys. Ayan. So, probably nag-wonder kayo guys ha kung bakit kailangan ko magpa-hair color kung ang aking buhok ay may kulay naman. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Kasi diba na-mention ko na sa previous videos natin na yung hair ko sa haba niya, ayan oh. Yung black ay nandyan na. Kasi it's been 6 months since na-visit ko yung hairdresser natin guys. Kaya yun. And I think yung gagawin natin today, gusto ko for a change, we'll do a foil guys. Yun bang hindi lang full color katulad nito ngayon, parang isang kulay lang talaga na ano na brown. So we'll see if we can do foil para ma-change naman ang ating look. And then yeah, so this is the before guys, para makita nyo yung anong before natin. Guys, dito na tayo sa ating hairdresser. Dito lang tayo sa labas kasi ayan ang upuan, oh. Maliit lang kasi yung space nila, guys. Kaya dito sa labas maghihintay. Ayan. That's my hairdresser. Ayan. So, ayan na yung city, guys. Diyan. Hi guys, time check. It's now 3 o'clock ng hapon and finally natapos na ang ating hair. Oh my god, what do you think guys? Ayan, ibang-iba na talaga sa kulay ko kanina guys. Tingnan nyo. So, hindi siya foil. Diba, remember, sabi ko kanina na gusto kong magpa-foil para yung may highlights ba. Pero nung pagpasok ko doon, sabi nung owner, sabi niya, mas maganda daw pag ikip na lang ko daw, ang tawag dito, yung kulay ko na isang kulayan lang talaga yung hair. Kasi, di ba kanina mahaba yung aking regrowth hanggang dito? So, sabi niya, if ever na i-highlight natin yan, merong mga itim-itim na makikita dito sa, dito malapit sa scalp mo. Are you okay with that? So, sabi ko, hindi na lang, na lang, same kulay na lang lahat. So, ayan guys. Oh, what do you think of the kulay? Yeah, I am happy with it. Maybe, I don't know, siguro nabaguhan lang ako guys kasi I like brown better than parang blonde. Ito kasi siya guys, more blonde side, parang dark blonde or light na chestnut ashy color, I don't know guys. Kahit siya, hindi niya alam kung anong kulay nito guys kasi siya na talaga yung hairdresser ko. So, alam niya yung hair ko. The first time na pumunta ako sa kanya, yung hair ko was parang Christmas tree, guys. Sobrang daming kulay. Kasi, parang walang nag-aalaga ba, walang nagme-maintain. Maganda talaga kapag meron kang hairdresser na pinupuntahan mo all the time kasi alam nila yung estado ng hair mo, kung anong kaya nilang gawin para ma-achieve yung gusto mong look. So, itong sa akin, guys, I wanted, ever since talaga, gusto ko yung mas light na kulay na hair, pero at the same time, walang bleach. Kasi, no to bleach na talaga ako, guys. Ayoko nang mag-bleach since yung nangyari sa akin before na nasunog yung hair ko because of the bleach. Kaya, say no to bleach na talaga ako. So, yung aking hair, guys, every time na bumabalik ako sa kanya, yung ginagamit niya ay yung tinatawag nila na high lift. So, every time na pumupunta ako sa kanya guys, nagla-lighten yung aking hair without using the bleach. Ayan. So, ito yung nagawang, guys, resulta na kulay guys. Ayan. So, parang ashy blonde na may pagka, brown. Tapos, nilagyan din niya ako ng, yung parang French ba, yung bangs dyan. Ayan. So, medyo iba yung ating mukha. Parang nabaguhan ako guys. But, yeah. That's it guys. I don't know kung anong magiging reaction ni Daddy Mike dito sa aking new look. We'll see his reaction pag uwi natin guys. But yeah, so with this one, nag-start kami ng 12. So it's now 3 o'clock. So yeah, it took 3 hours para matapos to siya guys. And I paid the same. They always charge me the same guys pag pumupunta ako doon. It's $215. Yan yung binabayaran ko all the time. So last time, obviously, shorter yun siya. The same lang yung pinabayad niya sa akin. Kahit ngayon, she's very happy with my hair. Sabi niya, sobrang, na daw, very long na daw. Pinutulan niya ng konti para fresh naman, tsaka healthy yung end. Wala yung mga split ends. Ayan. So, for sure, next time, pagbalik natin, guys, mas mahaba pa nito. Sabi niya, are you trying to grow more or you will keep this length? Sabi ko, I will grow more. Gusto ko kasing itry ulit yung hair ko before na very mahaba pa yung hanggang sa puwitan. Ayan. So yeah, let me know guys what you think about our hair. But ngayon ay maghahanap lang muna ako na makakain kasi I'm very hungry. Hindi pa ako nag-lunch. Anyways, I'll see you again soon. Hi guys! Guess where we are? Yan ang aking hair, oh. Andito tayo ngayon sa aking bestie, mansion ng aking bestie. Very sexy, oh, walang winter.
Love you. Love your hair.
Oh, you like it?
Love it.
Come.
What's the name? One jacket.
Hi, Nay! Hala, pwede ta mag-hug, Nay?
Ay lang mo na, dito sa tamagag.
Mag-hug? Okay rat, Nay. Okay
Hindi
rat.
ka nagpakuha ka sa mong buhok.
Oo, nagpakulay ko sa akong hair.
Wow.
What do you think, Nay? Kasi
Nice,
mong
eh.
kuhan.
Ha?
Nice? Nice, Nay?
Oh,
Pwede
dito.
ka mag-kuhan.
Kinahan ko.
Salamat, Nay.
Oh, dito tayo.
Hello, you see that?
Hinapit mong hairdresser, eh.
South Melbourne.
Ah,
Love it. Love your hair.
nice, oh.
See, that's Nanay Ron's mommy.
Mami ka dyan.
Yeah, mommy. Dato, biyak ka, Nay.
Pati sinikilan ko na. Ang balay.
Di, balay, maskino.
Oh, sa kaala. Nalungan pa siya kadali.
Uy, nakabalik na naman tayo dito sa kanilang mansyon.
Oh, asa mas Paris mo to sa childcare.
Childcare. Yan guys, ang ating view. Yeah, I know. Hayay sila diri na oy, no? Pag mata ba? Pag mata na, mag-holiday na no?
Anday?
Pag mata nila, makang holiday na ba? Uy, very dark man oy. Ayan. So, ito ang kanilang, ano guys, mirror na sosyalan. Dark. And we'll check.
Work from home edition.
Yeah. Oh, di ba guys? Bongga.
Look at my hair. So bad. Cares.
No, bongga lagi mong konti.
Bakit
Tingnan nyo
ka?
guys, oh, ang kanyang work, agay, yung work, ano, desk. Ayan. Ayan, tapos ang kanyang view, bongga. May email from me.
Yeah. Since Jovey only. No, I will get back to you later.
Oh no. Ayan guys.
Cares.
No, wait, I didn't open my email.
Don't.
Bahala sila. Ayan, so here's our look for today guys, ang ating OOTD. Ayan, with our new hair. So itong ating pang-ilalim guys, this is the one from Zara. And then these jeans from Cook High. Ayan, and then we've got our sling bags. Then I just put the blazer on. But do you like my blazer? Blazer?
Love it.
Yeah. Up shop. Long time ago.
Love it. Super.
Yeah, I know. It's Marks, but good.
You totally obsessed with blazer right now.
Yeah, I know. Babe, pwede mag-ride, babe. Ngayon, nairas sa babe. Bayat, siya, Jude.
Don't shy. Don't I shy. Don't be inside. Ooh.
Yeah. Humble.
Layer.
Humble ka eh. Hati, you're very good.
Oh, no.
You got water.
Happy.
Like, to be honest ha, I didn't drink water today. Like, it's already 4 o'clock. I'm really bad. I don't drink water.
Drink your water, bitch.
Yeah. Skirt! No, uy, mag-inuman sana akong kuan drink. Kain muna kami, guys. Rice mukbang. Rice itself.
Nakita na si Kuan.
Walang ulam.
Hindi ka nung... She's English speaking, then rice mukbang siya, just rice.
Oh, really?
Kasi paano yan?
Ay, gito ba na siya, ting?
Jolina.
Julina, magdangan?
Hindi. Saan yun ay? Ano to?
Adobo.
Adobo.
Hamunada mo ka ano?
Check-in. Check-in. Check.
Hamunada?
Mga tito.
Lami man. Hi guys! So it's now 4:30 ng hapon and kakatapos ko lang mag-lunch. Lunch dito sa aking
Kakatapos ko lang mag-lunch. Di ba? Kakatapos
Restaurant.
ko lang makipag-lunch.
makipag-lunch di ay.
Yung makisama ko.
Hindi-
Hindi na makipag-lunch. Kakatapos ko lang makaon sa level.
Kakatapos ko lang kumain sa ibang bahay. Ganon. Ayan guys, before I go home, i-raid muna natin ang ano ni bestie natin guys, ang kanyang Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Shop, masa ka shop ka dali?
That's a glove steam.
Grabe, gloves good. Oh my god. But that's so cool. I love this tea.
Let me call.
Ano, grabe kayo siya ka-organized guys. Super. Yeah. Asa tayo mong bag-ubi?
Mom, someone order.
Ano mo order, ma'am?
Allah has this one.
Oh, that's super cute, no?
Mm.
You guys, oh, Burberry. Ay. Di makita.
Oh, that's my face.
Yeah.
It's Hermes.
Ito ang kanyang mga ano, guys. Show me, babe. Ang kanyang mga, here, this way. Because it's too. Ang kanyang mga koleksyon. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yeah, I love it.
Wow.
That's the recent one.
30,000. $33. I can't with $33.
Yeah. eBay. You should check eBay, guys.
Yeah, check eBay.
Yeah.
And the rest.
Yeah. The rest is not 30. The rest. Oh, my Hermes. This one is Hermes too, yeah? What's this one? Salvatore Ferragamo. YSL.
Cute one.
LV. LB. LB.
Oh, this is Kizo. I got this for $25 and so.
Really? Whereabouts? eBay?
Yeah.
Iba rin talaga ang eBay, guys.
Talagang, you just have to.
Yeah. Versace on the floor.
That's different.
Yeah. This is not eBay. Yeah. Oh my god, I love the the display.
I love
Yeah.
that too. Like very fun.
That's super cute.
Very kanang masculine gani kayo siya sa. Like masculine. That was cute, no?
Super nice. I love because you can see everything, no? Like it's easy to go on.
We got gold and silver.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. But kung ha kanang rose gold, basta na.
And you can see these.
Yeah, I
Cute,
love all
right?
the boxes.
Do you like?
Yeah, I love it.
No, I love it. Like, kung siya ba?
Grabe ka, kwanti. Mahalo kay kawaton siya ti isa ka anaan na isa ka isahan na.
Yeah, but it's nice though. Like, makes the room bigger.
Yeah, because of the mirror. Yeah, cool. Yan guys, uwi na ako kasi pick upin na natin si Baby Paris. Thank you for having me today. Char, having me today. Ako rin manggod na hindi rin manggod invite. Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go. You gonna take me down? Uy.
Yes.
Take me down. Take me downstairs. Is Paris okay?
I'm okay.
I'm okay. That's good, honey.
Yep.
I miss you today, my love. What's that? Your friends. Your friends. Ooh, what's that? Where's our car? Yeah.
Careful, Mommy.
Be careful, Baba. This way, Paris.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye, school. We're going home. See Daddy.
Okay.
Where's Daddy now?
I got a great one, baby.
Achush. Are you a good girl?
This one. I want to get this
You get
one.
this one. I'm gonna get
No, this one.
which one? This one? Okay. Say thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. We have to pay first before we can open that one. Okay? Okay? Oh, we have to pay first before we can open.
Yeah. I want to open this.
Yeah, it's okay. We will open it soon, okay? What's the name of the fish?
This is that one. This is the
Yeah, what's the name? Wait, salmon. Salmon.
salmon.
Good job, Baba. What is that?
For which?
It's for the witch, yeah. That one is for the witch. That's for the witch, see? For the witch.
That's for me.
That's really like crazy. Can you guys look at it?
Huh?
Can you guys look at it?
Oh, were you like that? Achush.
This is so funny.
It's super funny. Mommy! Paris is crying like that.
Yes, go to
Why? Did you
Mama.
miss mommy?
Yes.
Oh.
Let's pass the side, let's go that side.
Did you miss daddy too?
No. The pot is small. It's for me.
It's the ball for the dog.
Me full. On the dog.
You throw it to the dog.
It's for not my platform. It's for the platform.
Tomato sauce.
Was Paris crying?
Tomato sauce for the gruffalo pie.
For me eat it.
Oh, do you want to eat the tomato sauce?
No, it's so yucky. Yeah.
It's yummy, yummy.
Oh, it's so yucky. I
Have a
don't
look
want
here,
it.
oh.
Hey!
See? See? Oh. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Peekaboo, I see you.
Was Paris crying?
The yummy, yummy food. Yummy, yummy food. You a good girl?
My arm.
Your arm. What happened to your arm?
There. Hey there.
It's na rin 9 o'clock ng gabi at kakatapos lang naming mag-dinner. Andito ako ngayon sa ating kitchen guys kasi si Baby Paris and Daddy Mike nanonood ng nursery rhymes and also yung heater natin ay naka full blast kaya sobrang maingay doon. Anyways, ang ating baby girl today hindi masyadong maganda yung kanyang mood. So hindi siya masyadong active sa harap ng ating camera. But anyways, I'm very happy today guys kasi finally, ayan, na pagawa na natin ang ating hair. I am very happy with the result. And tingnan nyo, ayan, wala nang yung parang orange na kulay guys. I don't know, maybe it's showing different on the screen to kasi ang tawag dito, tingnan nyo, oh. Yan ang kanyang kulay. Yan. Anyways, guys, before natin i-end yung ating vlog, isi-share ko sa inyo ang ating positive quote of the day. And it says, you cannot change what you are, only what you do. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out, guys. And the first shout out goes to Marde Pido from Dipolog City. Shout out to Simply Glide from USA. Shout out to Lovely Dimasangkay, Princess Humawas, Jancy Pinay, Australia, Lina Livares from Valenzuela, Evert Suta 53, and also Family Sweta. Shout out to Alice Lacre from Mindanao, Balingasag. Hello, Silingan. Shout out to Sandra James, Edeline Manosa, Cherry Salazar, Teresa Villar, Jonah Reese. Shout out to Yet Balino, Cora Tagapulot, Nanay Joyce and Kids Vlogs. Shout out to Queen Survivor TV. Shout out to Mian Quinto, Joyce Caran, Marilo Lianeta, Lerma Cerezo, Aya Pascual, and Teresita Abaluyan. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah.